Imagine getting hosting services for life on unlimited websites and domains, all for a low one-time price without any limitation or restrictions and without any monthly or recurring fees. So today guys, I will show you what is the HostZPresso. This is a product will help you a lot on your domains and hosting business. Without any further, let's get started. So first, what is HostZPresso? HostZPresso is a web hosting service giving entrepreneurs unlimited websites and domains with zero restrictions, all for a low one-time investment. So here in the sales page, save hundreds of dollars in subscription fees every month, host unlimited websites and domains for an ultra low one-time fee, and never pay for hosting again. So basically, this is some features of the HostZPresso. Host unlimited websites and domains, no restriction on front branch, and high-speed servers for lightning fast load speeds and better conversion, no monthly fees or recurring cost, 100% uptime guaranteed, free SSL certificates for every site, one-click WordPress installer to get new sites live in minutes, end-to-end SSL encryption and advanced DOS protection to discern potential hackers, 60 days unconditional money back guaranteed, transfer existing sites or create new ones, 24 hours 7 days a week premium support, and beginner friendly setup process, no tech skills needed. So like you see, this is some great and good features for this product. Sorry, and if you scroll down, you will get the HostZPresso need 3 steps to use. Step number 1 is login. Log in to HostZPresso and enter your domain name. Transfer existing websites, domains, or start fresh with new domain names. A limited number of domains and websites can be hosted without any restriction. And step number 2 is set up your website with just one click. Install WordPress on any domain in seconds, which their simple step-by-step instruction get sites live in minutes even if you never set up a website before, plus their end-to-end SSL encryption, free SSL certificates, and advanced DOS security mean that all sites offer that the best available protection against hackers and dangerous malware. And step number 3 is access. Easily manage all websites. Check the complexity out of website management with their ultra simple user interface that designed for the total tech novice. And unlimited money making sites can be hosted with zero restriction or add-on fees. So like you see, this is some testimonials about marketers are already using HostZPresso, and you can scroll all the sales page and see more features and informations about this product. And I will leave a video in the description below about the HostZPresso. Is a live demo by the creator himself. You can check it to know more about this product and how you use it from inside. Now for the price, so you will get unlimited website hosting and unlimited domains, free SSL certificates for every site, end-to-end SSL encryption, high-speed servers, and unlimited bandwidth, 24 hours 7 days a week premium support, unlimited personalized emails, one-click WordPress installer, 6-figure store builder, ClickBank auto commissions, insert bonuses. So basically, this is the bonuses you will get beside all these features. Bonus number 1, 6-figure store builder, value $97. Bonus number 2 is ClickBank auto commission, value $177. And the bonus number 3, Udemy cloud plugin, value $299. So you will get the bonuses beside all these features. The value with is $1,996. You can get it today for just just for $22 one-time pay, no monthly fees, and you will get unlimited domains, hosting of course, and unlimited websites. So for my honest review, having many websites to host could be costly. Thanks to HostZPresso, they would host you can now host unlimited websites and not worry about your monthly subscription. HostZPresso is seamless and 100% newbie friendly. You are getting one-time access to HostZPresso without without ever having to pay a monthly fee. You are able to upload, create and host an unlimited number of websites. It's definitely suitable for complete newbies through a censored pros. Do what it takes to succeed and take that mini leap of faith by getting your copy of HostZ Pro. The link in the description below, and I will much appreciate it if you use my link because I will get a small commission about that. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you benefit. If so, give this video a like, smash the subscribe button below, and see you in the next review.